Too busy to manage investments? Let's talk mutual funds. Mutual funds are like having a personal financial assistant. Professionals manage your money so you don't have to. No more stressing about which stocks to pick or when to sell. With mutual funds, you get a diversified portfolio, reducing risk and maximizing potential returns. Think of it as a one-stop shop for your investments. You invest in a single fund, and it spreads your money across various assets. This means you benefit from expert knowledge and market insights without lifting a finger. Perfect for busy professionals like you, mutual funds save time and effort. They offer flexibility, allowing you to invest small amounts regularly or make a lump sum investment. Plus, they're easy to track online so you stay informed without the hassle. So if you're juggling meetings, deadlines, and life, let mutual funds handle your investments. Relax, grow your wealth, and focus on what you do best. Remember, investing smart means investing with ease. Mutual funds for busy professionals, because your time is precious.